is she looking at? Yeah, there's a tear there. We shouldn't tear it up. Yeah, I can see. It's a tear. Yeah. Are you doing the radio, huh? Changing all the knobs for Mom and Dad, huh? Yeah? Here, let's turn that off for a sec. Gonna make it warmer in here for Grandma? Yeah? Yeah, I see.
Red marks on their kids.